New Jersey Youth Soccer Commission's Cup champion, Malton Soccer Club Lightning Red. What was your team's most memorable moment from all your Commissioners Cup games?
Probably the last game when Jake Christians, our lefty, scored with his right foot into the far post.
Nice.
And what do you think is your team's key to success?
Our defense is really good and saved me from many goals, but our offense also saved me many times when they scored on me.
I think confidence, and through the whole tournament I thought we were just going to win, how confident we were as a team, and just having fun and just we admire the sport, and when we try, we win.
Thank you for speaking with us.
Congratulations.
There you have it, Malton Soccer Club Lightning Red.